how you can make your first $500 per day or more than $10,000 net profit per month in 30 days with Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, as you watch this video, as you can see over here, right, we are testing the new offer in manifestation space on Clickbank, and it's doing really well using Facebook ads. Okay, so this is all cold traffic. Okay, so you understand the stats. It's all cold traffic, which means is the audience. There are people who have never heard of this product on Clickbank, and this is not keyword targeting. Okay, so it's broad, as much as you can target broad. It means people from 30 years old to 65 years old living worldwide targeting. Okay, now let's go straight into it so you can understand exactly how you can replicate this. But before I go into it, you can find me later on in my Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, right? You can connect with me, as you can see over here. You can DM me if you have any questions regards to affiliate marketing, regards to how you can make money online as a beginner, or if you already have some experience with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's go straight into it. So I'm showing exactly how this is done, right? Now you can see some of the people in my Facebook group, they get even 8 times return on their ad spend. Now how we are doing this, you see this student had over $12,000 a week on Clickbank using Facebook ads, as you can see over here, spending $1,500 and getting like $12,000. Now how it works is by especially understanding how Facebook ads work, or any ads, even Google ads. It's about social ads. It's about understanding the structure of ads and who is your audience. What do I mean by that? As you can see over here, right? If your goal is to make $500 per day, you need to do the math. You have to understand, okay, my goal is $500. What do I have to do in order to make that money? If you have a low ticket product on Clickbank, how it works is this. Price per product, let's say it's $100 weight loss supplement, manifestation product, whatever. $100. Your commission can be up to 90% on Clickbank, okay, on front end sale. So it means you're earning $90 profit per sale. Now to hit or to make or to earn $500 a day, it means you need 5.5 or 6 sales per day. Now this might sound a lot to some of you, to you watching this video, but it's not a lot, right? There are people making 200, 300 sales per day on Clickbank. So as a beginner, it's totally doable, because one person will buy the whole funnel. What do I mean by that? Again, let me give you an example, right? We have one product for $50 or $100. They're gonna buy it. Then we have the upsell options or downsell options where they can buy another supplement, another product, another course, right? So for one person, you can make all of your money back on that day on your Facebook ad that you spent or Google ad that you spent the money on, and the profit. So you see how the math works. In case you're earning $250 per sale, $25 per profit per sale, it means you need only 2.2 sales per day. Let's say 2 sales a day to make $500 a day if you're earning $225 profit per sale. You see, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to talk to anybody, you don't have to make any videos, you don't need to have a full website. You can have one basic ClickFunnels quiz funnel, which works really well, but you need to understand, once it's easy and simple, once you understand the bigger picture of how emotional states works to make this happen. Look, first of all, it's about audience. If you knew how to make this money, you would have already done it, but you don't. And the reason you don't know is because you never had someone who can one-on-one, step-by-step help you and show you, hand-holding you how to make serious, sustainable income online. First of all, it's about understanding emotional states. You see, when it comes to males and females, they're all different. I mean, my language is different, right? You cannot use same words for females that you use for guys, for males, in your Facebook ads or Google ads or your ClickFunnels landing page. It really matters what you say. It's about message to the market match. We have low and high emotional states. Targeting is very important, and message to the market match. Are they unaware audience? Are they problem aware audience? Are they totally unaware audience? All this matters when it comes to your messaging, because let's be honest, if you are promoting an offer, let's say a beefsteak to vegans, you can have a free product, you can give them 100 euros extra to buy, but they won't buy. Why? Because it's the wrong audience. You understand what I'm saying, right? It makes sense, right? So that's the reason you're not making any money. And I would say 90% of the people are not making any money online. And again, it's not your fault, because all you have to do is you need to have someone above you who have better results, who can help you and show exactly one-on-one, over the shoulder, maybe Zoom call, exactly how it's done. Now, how much would be that worth to you? How much would you be willing to pay someone to help you personally get the results, right? Because each day that you're not paying someone to help you, mentor you, you're losing out on 100,000 euros or more per year. Potentially you're losing every day. You're losing out on money every single day when you're not taking any action, you're procrastinating, you're making excuses why you cannot do it or why it's not the right time for you, right? When the people, like I showed before in my Facebook group, can make these kind of results because they took action. Even their English is not their first language, it's not their mother language, it's the second language, okay? So it's all about taking action. If you want to get the results, if you want this outcome, if you want to have results in at least 12 days, working 30 minutes to 1 hour a day, connecting with someone 3 times to 4 times per week to get some serious results, right? So as you watch this video, I told you what you can do next is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can comment under, and you can connect with me on Facebook. You will find the links below or on my bio, somewhere on YouTube, right? You can find my links. And below in the description, you can find my WhatsApp, my phone number, right? To connect on WhatsApp, you can text me there. You can connect with me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, DM me, okay? You can connect with me there. And as you can see over here, right? You can find me, as I told you before, on my Instagram. It's over here. Everything I share, right? It's here. You can follow me, and I will show exactly how everything is done. If you're really serious, if you really want to get these kind of results, as you can see over here, right? And have really sustainable, profitable results with Clickbank affiliate marketing.